Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super important for our golden years: how to apply for senior citizen benefits in 2025. If you're approaching 60 or know someone who is, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly are senior citizen benefits? These can include healthcare subsidies, pension schemes, tax breaks, and even discounts on public transport. In 2025, governments worldwide are updating these programs to be more accessible, so it's a great time to apply. Before you start, check your eligibility. Generally, you'll need to be at least 60 years old, a legal citizen or resident, and meet certain income or asset limits. Don't worry if you're unsure. Most countries have online tools to help you verify this quickly. Now, onto the application process. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll typically need proof of age like a birth certificate or passport, identification such as an Aadhaar card or social security number, income statements, and sometimes medical records. Make sure everything is up to date. Step 2. Head to the official government website or app. Many places now have a dedicated 2025 portal for easier online applications. If you prefer in person, visit your local social services office. Fill out the form accurately. It usually asks for personal details, financial info, and your benefit preferences. After submitting, keep an eye on your application status through email updates or the portal. Processing can take a few weeks, so be patient. Pro tip: double-check your submissions to avoid delays, and consider getting help from a family member or advisor if tech feels overwhelming. And remember, once approved, these benefits can make a huge difference in your daily life. If you have questions or want more details on specific countries, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tips. See you next time.